finish up uyazi khambani like away
Machida mfethu faka grand mfethu Tito
Slaka bro.
grand mfethu Billy King Martin the grand buffet so good to have you buffet and I'm still celebrating
Yazi mfethu.
sure
Faka lo ice hangouts mfethu. It's around the corner ba.
it's around the corner mfethu
Yeah.
but ayikho into ebethe isibusiso mfethu njengokuba naleli thuba lokuvakashelwa insizwe enjengani madoda mfethu I really appreciate that because not only ukuthi I myself respect you, but there's a lot of people out there who respect your work, and lokho kuyisibusiso mfethu ukuthi sizokhuluma ngakho mfethu here at the barber show yabona amashi sike kunquma enifaka boy wathi ngathi oh yes but kabanja not the father you good my chief fresh my friend mfethu no siyaphila mfethu siyaphila Don't lie, mfethu umuntu usagcinekile nje mfethu ngabe senizwile manje but how was everything been on your side my chief?
No, it's all good though. Don't keep it fresh.
Spani dogs.
Okay.
grinding all day every
Spani
day all day
babona nabantu ko channel ukuthi kanye.
Oh man, the second
easy flex
Mengiwa kunyiwe mfethu.
no, but that's great because those are the days that I believe ukuthi sometimes we see rope bafethu khona leli phupho okufike kulona ungaliqhakambisi kakhulu yabo ngenxa ukuthi you are made of like a humble nature but I think kubalekile mfethu to recognize yourself and mfethu uyishaya isifuba ngaleso sikhathi yabo leon speaking of that mfethu you guys mfethu it's a blessing ukuthi you've been like close to me from the time whereby it all started
True.
I remember mfethu there was a time whereby I walked to PA. It was elo ngangamgunde ubho wasashaya ngekhathi ebhedayo. Yadlala ngazi yabheda but mfethu wasashaya bedama omblonde abaningi mfethu ngithe uyena nomjito mama Sita yabo and then from there mfethu we got to meet mfethu endleleni. And we've never looked back from there, mfethu. And every movie the king, mfethu, I've been cutting your hair,
Bro, 2015
from 2015 dog until right here. Mbona boy, I send you boy post up iphume ngakubona kodwa. Ngathi mfethu useqala kuwena kuthiwa brazo show.
Ngenxa yekhansi.
So yeah, but it's a blessing ukuthi you still holding it down. So what's the secret bafethu? Onga give up because baningi ngiqale nabo mfethu but asababone mfethu but you still holding it down manje.
Yeah, dog, right. It's more than ufuna mfethu. Ayikho into engavimba ukuthi uqale phansi wenze ukuthi so thina sesikhethile lethu sikhethile so ukuthi sizoma
No turning back. Enye into ke mfethu abantu kumele understand ukuthi first noma kuthiwa mhlambe uwile waqhuzwa mfethu akekho umuntu ongaqhuzwa endleleni but into ebalile mfethu ukuthi uyivuke uyithathe phansi mfethu and continue with your shit yabo ngeke umuntu ozolokho ekunaka ukuthi uwile wenzeni asinendaba yonke dog people want to care about your success and what you're doing and what you bring to the table balekile pick up yourself qhubene into yenzayo mfethu thina sesichuzile like this one uPierre kana CV this is the CV yabo lonke dog so mfethu into ebalekile mfethu abantu surrounding abantu onabo mfethu yabo ngoba nathi sipush ifaka lo ice hangout dog because we know our nigga we believe in everybody here and ifaka lo ice hangout dog is not only about music or perform uPA no it's about anyone dog whether we designer ufuna une pop up store wenza noma yini tattoo artists everyone is welcome ngoba ikazi yenzo ingakho siletha le note every time from 2017 if I'm not mistaken until manje yabo manje sesijimile ke manje you know energize yabo sikhulile mfethu silimele savuka sayithuntuta and we here
I think mfethu into engiyithola mfethu ukuthi amajita sekhulile and afundile endleleni
shiziliwe fani so manje asibheke emumva
no but I don't want to take away that from you gents because it's what makes the journey more interesting and it what gives it more purpose because if indlela ibalula kukancane ukuthi uphumelele yabona
True.
yona but mawuyibe nzima mfethu uyazi ukuthi yabo lo bemzima ibona bokulungisela for whatever that you preparing for.
Yeah.
So speaking of Fakalo Ice as a brand mfethu, Fakalo Ice has grown mfethu. You've seen them, the routes that you've taken mfethu. I give a pet to you mfethu ngoba ngiyazi mfethu ukuthi the hard work that you've been putting in mfethu ayikho into enhle yokubona a success of something that you know from something that you've seen yabona. So mfethu having to have amagents and mfethu being one mfethu because we can try by all means to do things ngokuhlukana omunye yenze lokhu, but I always believe if we can just come all
Unity,
together
bro.
there's so much that can be achieved. Ngibona lokho on this event yabo and understanding ukuthi as much as singasho ukuthi iKivi the king iTito ibaba iplaga isiboniso yonke into hang out. But for you guys to trust and believe to the name brand of Uguti, it's Fakalo Ice and to be united behind that, understanding Uguti be the king, you also have a brand yourself. Been pushing the hangout. So we need to learn from this chance. What does it take for you Uguti, to humble yourself and just say we are doing this for the betterment of everyone? So how do you come across meeting and finalizing everything which is even on right now? If I might give you a chance.
Like, bro, in terms of maybe working as like Guti Soccer as partner to push the events, bro, it's all about the same vision. It's soccer is from grand, you know. We all want to be good. So if the idea is for us to come together, to say shine bring people together, bring creatives together, bring DJs, bring whoever that can do whatever, but that is a creative space. It's like about they're doing the shit. So it has to be we're trying to do a collective work, bro.
Showcase.
Collective. So keep it Spanish. That's what I believe in, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because dog, the auction talk Italian dealing, and you fish so. If I always hang out, izokwazi ukuveza the fresh talent kubantu abangabazi bakwazi ukupromota music wabo abanza abadayisa ingubo bazokwazi ukuveza ama brand wabo kanjalo. So unyaka there's always a fresh talent like auction. So zama ukuthi ongakwazi onganaka amandla ukuthi vele ekwazi ukuvela naye. So sibambisana sonke kanjalo.
Speaking of that, I'm one person who's always looking at lifting as we try to rise on the bed. We see a lot of people in bed taking up space on social media. People are creating, people are out there, people are showing up. So into ngithanda bethu ukukhomenda le efisa ukuthi ingapheli kuthina sonke as creatives because if I can open a door for someone else it means ukuthi not only ukuthi kuzopusheka isipani mhlambe sithandwa yimina but nesabanye abangasilangazelela is going to come into place and kube into eyodwa into ebhoma and masekele sekupop imagine so sekupope wonke umuntu la uthanda how will everything be this yayibona into engishoyo
hey
yona vele aim lo mfethu ukuphamisa inotho mfethu.
Most definitely.
But we are proud of la siphuma khona mfethu ngeke siyenze event emlazi noma ke indawo no abanye abakhona bazoyenza but ngoba sowala siyindabuko mfethu. You want to build this shit because mfethu ikhona vision. Then why not climb on it dog? And okunye mina mfethu I've been doing ama event dog, I've been hosting and mfethu le fact lesisho ukuthi sesikhulile it's a true because mina ngisenza ama event mfethu uvi we had a clash nayo nge event even no nature boy sasaba ne clash ne event ngobani months event mfethu kunokungaboni kahle uqama ngeke sikhide lokho bafethu away kunokungaboni nje kahle wenza ama event but it takes a bigger man ukuthi ukhulu grow up now ubone ukuthi okay mfethu ngiflopile la yabo I'm admit that shit but I'm move on because egcineni mfethu angenzeli mina dog I don't do event for serial no Black Tito noma uV yabo so senzela wonke umuntu mfethu ngoba ubisho PA masihambe yedwa kufana la sengathi ngeke yenze yedwa hence why you got his niggas abathembayo sila sibhuza because why see vision eyodwa tebalele mfethu kuba the same vision if one nigga start tripping on another vision or engasayibona vision then yabo it's very hard ukuthi hey dog it's chat asisho njalo.
So speaking of izinto esesikhule kuzona esesiyibonile zasinqubuza endleleni, appreciate that ukuthi mfethu you acknowledge that, and
True.
speaking about it shows a lot of maturity because a fool is someone ofile awe kwi-pole hole aphinde futhi aphinde
the same thing,
yabo. So it means mfethu ukuthi sizokwazi ukukhula kulokho esikwenzekile, and I'd love to just hear i-rollout ke mfethu ukuthi ke ngoba sesikhulumile ukuthi ke it's happening mfethu, it's on Saturday 25 October
Yes,
at
sir.
Encore Lounge mfethu. So who do we have on the lineup, and what's fresh, what's new that people can actually expect, yabo? Because I'm sure myself mfethu, I want to see what's happening, I want to see with my own eyes.
Yeah.
So what do I expect?
Bafethu angifuni nje kunigoqa bafethu angifuni nje kunigoqa bafethu yabo this time njoba ngisho ukuthi agcina ngo2017 ukwenza ifaka lo wayesengathi yabo this time asilethi ama performers kuphela dog ngizofika nibone nathi yabo.
Yes.
We have abantu bethu ama tattoo artists, mina nginama tattoo umzimba wami umthetho ngidweba uzobe khona tattoo artist akhona mfethu uGustavo mfethu khona Slaqa uzobe khona mfethu there's a lot MTF uzobe khona ufuna ukuzo showcase impahla yabo mfethu simeme wonke umuntu, and okunye esikinxusa ngoba sila mfethu ukuthi even noma kuthiwa mfethu uno 10 rand noma unani mfethu ufuna ukuxhasa le event, everyone is welcome yabo. If ufuna ukuxhasa mfethu siwelcome, ungaxhasa mfethu uzoyishiya inamba mesiqeda la noma yini mfethu ufuna ukuyiphosa mawenze senzele inoje ngamanje yabo. So we urge you ukuthi mfethu whatever okhona lo 2 cent to us means a lot, it will mean a lot.
So ngiyena ngamalini ke on the event yabuza.
Okay, but event isenze kanje yabo ngoba vele sifuna khona abangasebenzi, khona abahola month end, so umhla 25 siyazi ukuthi baningi abazoba disturb yabo. So stay, it's a free event because vele free event dog, but siyazi ukuthi umuntu mawufuna umhamba nomuntu wakho ufuna ukushaya ithombe ezigrand, ufuna ukushoot ngoba lapha soba khona ama video bekwenziwa yonke into. VIP, it's only 70 rand and 80% is sold out. And at 18, it's gonna be 100 rand. So I slay. So yeah, I'm a VIP. We're only selling VIP. But in general, everyone is welcome.
I love that approach because mawukhuluma nge culture nokubuild up i-movement mfethu, there's a lot of barriers when you put money.
True.
Because there's someone who loves to support something but not monetarily. Yabona umuntu othanda ukuba involved in the initiative ozofika nempethu afika shoot ngefoni yakhe wapost uthi hayi ngisendaweni ngokuthi, so imali igcina ibe ibhera, especially lokhu because mfethu we live in trying times. It's kuhlukile manje. So in that essence mfethu manithi mfethu guys, it's free. Like what would make you not want to be on the event mfethu? So we calling out everyone, isemawoti, isenanda, Newlands,
kwamashu, everywhere
everywhere my friends. So let's make sure we pull through to experience the hangout. But again, I once attended the Father Rice hangout, but it was 2019. It was so crazy, but to remember that is in so dog, come on,
it was later.
Your voice in the I'm just gonna speak on Ufaga because I can remember his performance from that day. How far I don't count the I don't play card.
I got it's a norm, dog. Always, dog. Always.
Ngikhuluma lo lasuku bafo yabona le lasuku what you did mfethu, I remember closely mfethu. And ke mfethu, speaking of uV mfethu, uV Not using promoting power show, but what you did on the power show, I am passionate, Leo is shy, that was done, I was looking for love. And to put it okay, thank you, we met among monks, so I'm thank you, and shine yama, in the winning he bad. There is a voice in which I accept. So, let's go back to OD, it's on an art, it's gonna be hectic, so everyone has to be there, so please guys, do make sure we show up on MJ, yeah, we kill it. But speaking of to get that, the main thing, because the one thing that they're saying, we put it out there, who's going to be there with us in Petu. So, nature for us, I see big, who are we going to be expecting and to just roll out to what can people expect on the actual event?
Yeah, sure, fair. So, obviously, nature himself will be there on the ones and twos. Yeah, but otherwise, if it's too many could be there. Nana Arta will be there. Odin will be there. Grenade, Music, It's a Child, Vida King, Lookster Case, Kanye the Best. NP said it, Abangan Bay, too proud. Yakuzobe kufika kakhulu, and obviously nabo DJ ngefethu abo Mazo, P Master, uNkulu, Sweet Soul, Uspe. Yeah, sangazi noma DJ omkhulu ngumbali uNature fethu noma.
No, most of them.
Yeah. No,
ngiyabongeka mfethu because as a movement mfethu, I'm sure which is not mainly just for music, yeah boy, and also not mainly ukuthi incike hip hop, yeah boy. So when ngiyakujabulela lokuthi hearing the likes mfethu of EE house music, because mina mfethu 2006, 2007, she house, and also to touch on the Kwaito guys, it's easy to say Abangan Bay to pay to shout out to pay. So it's actually a great movement because God just didn't look on and look shame cinema event and line now.
Yeah. But so one thing that I can say that can be an eye opener on this whole ordeal, Uguti. Abantu, that's the thing that they need to understand. Uguti, right now, if I see hangout is sort of like a creatives hub. It's not just a movement, it's not just an event, but it's a culture on its own that we're trying to develop, starting from around for each and everyone who's a creative, who's an artist, who wants to grow, So let us come and engage if it's on the 25th. It's whereby we'll be doing a meet and greets in a way, because obviously it's an event, but ukuthi masesihlangene as creatives ukuthi siya network, exchange contacts and so on and so forth. So it's not just about hip hop artists, it's not just about Kwaito artists or DJs or whatever. But we are trying to engage with this song, hence it's called Hangouts. So I think that's the picture. Is Zama we say that to the people. So I think that is the picture that we need to be sending out to people. Ukuthi no bafethu ihangout is not just ukuthi yenzeka kuyaphela kanjalo. We will be doing more of this. You see, because there's another bigger team behind us. It's not just Tino Sibonayo, yabo. So kunama manager fesa dumile oplaka yabo. I'm not God. So that's the whole vibe.
I think Pierre is going to take us to the performance because in Guanuti it would make sense to to also have a performance
Sure.
at the barber shop. But so compared to I'm sure we owner studio currently right now. So who have you been working with Justin J to take us through what people are gonna be expecting on if I'm writing out?
I think I'm in there too. Okay, obviously there's new music. Name that I think in also Showcase. Then you can surrender to it's a project. I want to go and surrender now. I want an art showcase. Maniac, showcase closed, showcase Odin, touchline.
Yo.
Okay, how many more features are you surprised?
Showcase. Just I know 5 on our channel and I will be surprised. But no 5 for so bad, which is
How many tracks?
It's like EP,
I'm going to find another, is it though? For sure.
Fez, no, I love that. It's good to see you at work, but for Fez, I can think keep on pushing Fez too. We love your work. Not only do we love your work, it's dwelling our cousin. So I love your dedication to your work, Fez. Always in studio, always making sure you're perfecting the stuff, because the other day we were speaking about something so crazy. Should I mention it? You remember the day I was just driving the other day. It was around 8 to 9 that the Kakasi hip hop band, the Kakasi music sessions, because it was the song with you and Uluam. Yo, bro, they did a great one now.
Yeah.
What inspired that track? Maybe if you can just speak about that.
It's in the local young woman inside. You should see discussing Yenza. You can't go no more. Yenza because I'm getting more time to train them all the time. It's me, yeah. For sure. Rockstar, trap star. So yeah, ongenza ukuthi ngangikho mhlambe noma into mhlambe engayi-experience ngomunye umuntu engayibona ivela kuyona so yahlala kwase ukuthi mhlambe ngimuntu omic
you are addicted, what deliver as you always do, because I think that's one thing that I think I really appreciate like more of those sentimental songs and those songs that can make the whole world sing along, those are anthems and so I'd love for you to revisit that because you love song is in love, not when I play. So it's been a great pleasure, Asia, more than the too. So right now, we're gonna take you to the performances. How much they're gonna give us? Guys, I think eat, hang out, follow us, hang out, pop up. Performance
we going wild. It's on 905. Chabu sugu boke pumila. Daela zini. Shai for sure goes ex salopa. And I go la late. Spawn sin. Goes a kaloba. Bang bamba. Bambe go. They seen that. It's a god. Salanga you sugu bong. Bang bamba. Bambe go. They seen that. It's a god. Salanga you sugu bong.
Yeah. Luke tried to be getting low. I don't care about so and so. I gave her some, now she wants some more. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and a humble nine. Shawty, come, please don't waste my time. Put the squad some, number 99. Yeah. Don't be shy, tell me what you drink. I'm your dad, tell me what you need. Mama, I got, tell me what you think. Yeah. She be twerking by the pool, lap dancing by the stool. Them bottles, babe, I got her.
Yeah. She be wildin' out. Thought I sing and rap with my mate, manjing trippy pot. Touch me, I got mine, wouldn't dare. Don't I fung my dialers in it. Shy voice, who's excited about? we going wild. It's on 9 to 5, Jabu Sugu Bonke Pumila. Diela Zini, Shai for sure, goes ex Salupa. And I go la lake, Spawn Sin, goes a Kaloba. Bang Baba, Bambe God, they seen that, it's a God. Salanga, you Sugu Bonk. Bang Baba, Bambe God, they seen that, it's a God. Salanga, you Sugu Bonk.
Tough. I've been on the ground, lot of ish was holding me down. Hokulu baba me by my side. Oh yeah, saba whenever we slide. Maza mi de bonge baningi. I be chilling isipeli lini. Clever sithola nga easy. Makazi peli they thought I was clear. From Otulini you cover the sky. Punyuka bemphezu ngangisabu ngangazi. I ain't came here for a loot. I ain't came here for a lose. I wanna know for na young. I want it raw for na young. I want it raw for na young. Lot of ish going on. Never stopped, I was moving on. I'm a cheat, I know more. They wanna see me down on the floor. Oh, of course, such a blessing, see my daughter grow. No flops, I'm keeping my head up wherever I go. 4x and then go harder again. Chiggy Vigi, now they wanna be friends. If you know, you know. The best thing is Anga Pro. I ain't came here for a loot. I ain't came here for a lose. I want it raw for na young. I want it raw for na young. I want it raw for na young. Lot of ish going on. Never stopped, I was moving on. I'm a cheat, I know more. They wanna see me down on the floor.